Let's continue with the cloud-based collaboration features. With the ARES Trinity, collaboration is built directly into your CAD workflow across desktop, web, and mobile. This year, the focus is on extending these capabilities further, deeper integration with the Autodesk ecosystem, broader access to collaboration features, and more efficient license usage across teams. There are in particular 3 features that we would like to highlight. Number 1, the integration with Autodesk Forma data management. This is a key evolution this year. You can now browse, create, and modify DWG files stored in the Autodesk Cloud directly from ARES Commander, Kudo, or Touch. Changes are synchronized in real time, just like with other supported cloud platforms. Beyond file access, this integration enables the full set of the Trinity collaboration features on drawings stored in Forma. That includes, for example, Trinity features such as version history, version compare, markups, comments, and secure sharing through view-only links directly from the ARES CAD software. It also enables our session handling features to avoid conflicting versions and enable multiple ARES users to work in parallel by alternating editing sessions in real time. The second key development is the introduction of a free version of ARES Kudo. This allows organizations to extend access to DWG drawings beyond CAD users. Team members who do not need editing capabilities gain the possibility to view and comment on the drawings, to participate in the review process directly in their browser and with files that are always up to date. It supports Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, SharePoint, OneDrive, and many more, including, of course, Autodesk Forma. This approach makes it easier to involve a wider audience in projects without increasing licensing costs. And number 3, Flex Cloud license improvements. The Flex Cloud license is another innovation from Graebert that is now widely used among our customers to share licenses like with network licenses, but with the additional advantage that the licenses are floating from a pool of licenses that is in the cloud, which extends the possibility to use this license in home office or across multiple offices. This year, we kept improving. The Flex Cloud licenses are now as efficient as the older Flex Network licenses. For example, licenses are now returned immediately when a user closes the application, making them instantly available to other users. We will keep supporting the Flex Network licenses, but the Flex Cloud licenses are now increasingly more popular because they simplify sharing across distributed teams and support the transition to the cloud-based Trinity collaboration features included in the Flex Cloud license. These 3 updates reinforce the Trinity concept, connecting users, platforms, and cloud environments to enable more flexible and scalable collaboration around DWG drawings. Here also, I invite you to learn more with the upcoming deep dive on this topic.